Okay, number 7 on the test. This one is giving you an equation, and I know it doesn't have an equals 0, but it's talking about zeros down here. So we can go ahead and plug a 0 in for y if we want to. But anytime you see an equation like that, you can go plug it in to your y equals. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. I already have my equals 0 in for my previous problem, and it's talking about zeros. So if I push graph, I can look at where it's crossing. You might be able to just look and see, okay, -1, -2. That one looks like it's at -3. Do you see how these choices, some of them say +3? That's not it. That says +3. That's not it. But A and D have an answer that say -3. So those are still in the running. And then really, you could use some context clues. The other x-intercept looks like it's at a positive fraction of some sort. Look at your choices. This one says +1/2. This one says -1/2. So since it has to be a positive, the answer is D. Okay, if you just focus on the first half of the question, the answers, it is really just like every other question on this test. You're just finding the x-intercepts. The rest of this, you could have done y1, y2. So if you type that into y1 and you type in the answer into D for y2, you could do the table and you'll see that they match, but you don't really need to. If you just focus on the zeros, it's like the rest of the questions on the test. So that's number 7.